Moon in Aquarius. Aquarius is ruled by Saturn. You can use a co-ruler of Uranus if you want. That's what modern astrologers do, but I stick to Saturn being the ruler. It is the sign after Capricorn. It is the 11th sign, Aquarius. Almost the last sign, which is Pisces, where the moon will be in a few days. Moon in Aquarius rules the community, co-workers, friends, groups, social activities. So it also pretty much rules social media, you could say. The Aquarius moon transit right now is trine with Mars and trine with Mercury. That is this grand trine, this big triangle you see here. These sides are all 120 degrees apart, and they're in the same element. These are all the air signs. So we have a grand trine in air signs right now with Moon, Mercury, and Mars. And that is finding something that was lost. It is coming to terms with anger and the way you deal with anger. It is being able to talk through anger, being able to talk through anger and your feelings. It is a very helpful transit for communicating about anger and hurt feelings, and a lot of resolutions and solutions come up in this time. So pay attention to what is going on around you and look for these little things that are going on. So people will find something and have eureka moments and come to some conclusion that is great for them. Things are working out. Your mind is set at ease. Your tense, angry, obsession thoughts are easing out. This is a really, really helpful time for people who have moon square Mars or hard Mars and moon aspect. This is a temper aspect. Mars and moon, when they're in a square, here 90 degrees, they are always causing strife in your life, in your emotions. So people who are born like that like me, people who are born with moon square Mars in a hard aspect, have constantly these anger issues coming up in their life. And this trine helps those square people who have all the square energy. The trine really helps. They have these marvelous days. Of course, it will depend on your whole chart, but these are the kind of days that help angry people get over things and find a way to deal. I didn't really talk about Aquarius by itself. Aquarius by itself is the fixed middle of winter. Try to imagine the north in the winter. Remember I was talking about Capricorn? It's the same ruler. It's Saturn. Everything is dead and cold. Hard reality checks in winter in the north. But it's one past the leader, the start of winter, the Capricorn, and it's come down from the throne of the MC to the co-workers, the community, the groups, the friends, the people in the community that they're trying to lord over. So the Aquarius people, anyone with Aquarius strong in their chart, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, blah, 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 or a grouping of them, a lot of Aquarius, they will naturally, when they look at everyone else, they will feel like they have all these helpful things for all this community, where other people maybe necessarily don't. Aquarius people will see themselves and other Aquarius people as having this info for everyone. So they will sort of act as if they are Saturn, the ruler of their community, and they will know everyone. They'll have a network system. If you ask an Aquarius, hey, do you know anything about welding? They'll say, no, but I know Joe and Nick, and they have this company, and you could phone them, and there's this other one over here, and I know everyone. If you need anything, just ask, and I will be able to network you out. That is Aquarius. So Aquarius on its own, think of the middle of winter. You're stuck in there, in your little cave. There's not very much to do outside. So it really is about work and work within the community and bringing the community to you and you going to the community where everyone's not just outside walking around because it's nice out. So think coworker who wants to lord over everyone with the information. Just kidding, but not really. That's how they seem to appear. That's how they can appear to others.